Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about a gaming headset that has been making waves in the gaming community, the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro. If you are on the lookout for a headset that combines top-tier sound quality, comfort, and wireless convenience, you're in for a treat.
Wait, are you talking about an earbuds that could make me feel like I'm actually in the game? Like if a dragon roars, would I feel its breath on my neck?
Almost, Tom. The Razer BlackShark V2 Pro is designed to immerse you in your gaming experience with its THX Spatial audio. It's perfect for competitive gaming, casual play, and everything in between. But it's not all rainbows and butterflies. As we will discover in our review today, it has a few quirks. Beside that, the other question that puts itself on the table, is it the right headphone for you? How does it compare to other headphones in the market? We are going to reveal all this and more in this review. And guess what? We have got a product link in the description box down below where you can check out and grab any discounts we could find for you for the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro or any of the other headsets we are going to compare it against.
Nice, I'm always down for saving a few bucks.
Stick around as we dive deep into what makes the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro a must-have for gamers. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First impressions of the BlackShark V2 Pro are pretty solid. This headset has a sleek, minimalistic design, which is quite a departure from Razer's usual flashy RGB laden aesthetic. It's available in black or white, and both look quite professional.
I gotta say, Ben, I was half expecting some neon lights or maybe a built-in disco ball. But hey, sometimes less is more, right?
Exactly, Tom. The focus here is on performance, not flashy looks. The headset feels light but sturdy, weighing in about 320 grams. The ear cups are covered with memory foam and breathable cloth, making them very comfortable for long gaming sessions.
And trust me, my ears were ready for a marathon. It's like having a tiny pillows on your head.
Let's dive into the tech specs. The Razer BlackShark V2 Pro features 50mm titanium drivers with a frequency response range of 12 Hz to 28,000 Hz. It supports 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. Unfortunately, it lacks a 3.5mm jack for wire connection, which might be a downside for some.
No wired option? So, I guess I can't use this to DJ my next party from my ancient iPod, huh?
Not this time, Tom, but the wireless connectivity is top-notch, with a range of about 30 feet. The battery life is another highlight, which offers you up to 70 hours on a single charge, which is a massive improvement over the previous model's 24 hours.
70 hours? That's like almost 3 days of non-stop gaming. Not that I would ever play that long. Or would I?
Performance-wise, the BlackShark V2 Pro shines in several areas. The audio quality is excellent with clear mids and highs and a decent amount of bass. The THX Spatial audio provides an immersive surround sound experience, which is particularly useful for competitive gaming.
Just try that with Fortnite. You could hear every footstep sneaking up on you from every direction. It's like having spidey senses, but for your ears.
The microphone is another strong point. Razer's hyper-clear super wide band microphone offers a clear and crisp voice quality, perfect for team communications during intense matches. However, it's worth noting that the mic does not match the quality of the dedicated USB microphone.
Still, it's way better than sounding like you're talking through a tin can.
Let's break down the pros and cons, starting with the pros. Number 1. The Razer BlackShark V2 Pro offers excellent sound quality with its THX Spatial audio. Number 2. It offers a long battery life of up to 70 hours. Number 3. It has a comfortable design with memory foam ear cups. Number 4. It has high quality microphone. And number 5. The Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity offers you a variety of options for connecting your wireless headphone.
And now for the cons, because every rose has its thorns. Number 1, it has no 3.5mm wide connection option. Number 2, the ear cups do not swivel, which might be an issue for some. And number 3, slightly flimsy yokes despite being reinforced. And in addition to all that, we have the aggressive battery saving feature that shuts off after 10 minutes of inactivity.
Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, making this a solid choice for serious gamers. When comparing the BlackShark V2 Pro to similar products, it holds up quite well. For example, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless offers dual swappable batteries and active noise cancellation, but it comes at a higher price point of around $350.
That's almost double the price. Do I get a free pony with that?
Not quite, Tom. On the other hand, the Razer Barracuda X is a cheaper alternative at around $100, but it lacks the precise spatial audio and extended battery life of the BlackShark V2 Pro.
So it's like choosing between a deluxe pizza and a regular one. Sometimes you just need all the toppings, you know.
Speaking of the price, the BlackShark V2 Pro retails for around $200. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the combination of features, performance, and comfort make it a good value for the price. And remember, you can find the product link in the description box down below.
So you're getting a lot of bang for your bucks, folks. And trust me, I know a good deal when I see one. Just ask my wallet.
In conclusion, if you are a gamer looking for a high quality, comfortable and reliable wireless headset, the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro is definitely worth considering.
So there you have it, folks. Grab your BlackShark V2 Pro, dive into your favorite games, and let the epic gaming sessions begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome reviews. And check out that description box for the product link and possible discounts. Until next time, happy gaming!
That's right, Tom. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews from Master. Happy gaming!